Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change group chat wallpaper on Messenger group. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Chat themes add souls to our conversation like a few other instant messaging app. You can also change the chat of them on Facebook Messenger to make your conversation more interesting. In addition to chat themes or wallpaper, you can also choose different colors and gradients to give your messages a fresh look without changing the wall background. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to do it in person. So what if you want to change the theme or wallpaper on your group chat conversation? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our messenger. Now you can just tap on the group that you want to uh, open this, that you want to change the wallpaper. Now you can open the group chat info by tap on the upper right corner here. You'll find there is an option there. You can just tap on that. So now here you can choose on the themes that you want to use for this group conversation. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. Now I can tap on select. So it will turn out like this. It's cute, right? So that is how to change wallpaper chat on Messenger group chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.